The Galaxy S24 Ultra is one of the most anticipated phones of 2024, and it promises to be much more than just another refresh. Why? Because Samsung is actually rethinking what makes a smartphone truly smart. In fact, Samsung has already teased a surprising amount of details about this phone, especially new AI features, and that's in addition to a ton of leaks out there about the design, performance, cameras, and more. This flagship definitely has the potential to be the best phone of 2024. But what's actually new? Here's the 7 biggest Galaxy S24 Ultra upgrades so far you need to know. Smoother and brighter display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will likely stick with a 6.8-inch OLED display, but there could be some pretty major upgrades under the hood. First, the leaker Ice Universe says that the S24 Ultra will reach a peak brightness of 2500 nits compared to 1750 nits for the S23 Ultra. It's better. The S24 Ultra is also tipped to get a refresh rate boost from 120Hz to 144Hz. This could be an awesome upgrade for those who like to play the latest games. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The Galaxy S24 Ultra should have a very powerful chip, with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 running the show. It has its own AI engine for generative AI, and it enables Make Mode for video. Samsung could once again get an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 to offer the fastest performance on any Android phone. We're talking at least a 30% performance boost for the CPU, and the Adreno GPU could get a 25% performance boost versus the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Gamers will appreciate a 40% improvement to ray tracing performance for more realistic lighting in games. Another rumor points to as much as 16 GB of RAM on the S24 Ultra, which would be a big jump from the max of 12 GB on the S23 Ultra. Titanium and vibrant colors. Samsung could be following Apple's lead by giving the Galaxy S24 Ultra titanium sides. Titanium isn't just tougher than aluminum. It should result in a lighter design, with the S24 Ultra tipped to weigh 8.21 versus 8.25 Oz for the previous model. Yes, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is an even lighter 7.81 Oz, but it doesn't have a built-in stylus like the S24 Ultra likely will. The rumored Galaxy S24 Ultra colors could be pretty vibrant, with black, titanium gray, and the gold, but also violet and yellow. We could even see exclusive online colors like orange, light blue, and light green. Live AI translations. Audio and text translations will appear in real time as you speak, making calling someone who speaks another language about as simple as turning on closed captions when you stream a show. The company explains this one uses on-device Galaxy AI. Samsung says to limit the privacy concerns that present themselves when data is uploaded to the cloud. Generative text assistance. It looks like the company's AI will be taking a leaf out of ChatGPT book, with its GOS language generative language model. The release says that it enhances work efficiency by facilitating tasks such as composing emails, summarizing documents, and translating content. Composing emails is certainly an interesting proposition, but there are different ways it could be implemented. It could merely be offering recommendations as you type, or it could possibly generate an entire email based on a prompt. Samsung GOS Image is Mission, a generative image model that can easily generate and edit creative images. It can make style changes in additions and also convert low-resolution images to high-resolution. Video making. Samsung has also teased a few video features coming to 200-megapixel cameras powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's AI smarts on the S24 Ultra. Eye tracking will allow you to keep tabs on a subject in a video at all times while simultaneously filming both crop and full-angle shots. It also promises end-to-end IREM mosaic image capture, which should offer richer details and colors. That all sounds promising. But we'll have to see what happens when the Samsung Galaxy S24 family is released. We still got a few months to go, with one report predicting a launch event on January 17th, which would likely mean the phone going on sale on February 2nd, 2024. So stay tuned to get the latest news and updates about the next Samsung phone, and don't forget to activate the bell, otherwise you may not receive notification when I upload.